Hey guys, this is going to be an unboxing of a new model that I did. Now this one goes out to vovoloder Zack. We did a straight up trade. I gave him the 916 and for the 320. Here's the bucket. It's very nice. Very nicely weathered. Come on with the actual model. Voila! Cat 320L. Now a lot of you guys are probably saying that why would you trade an NZG model for an Orscott model? And there's an answer to that question. And the answer is the NZG model was crap, basically. There she is. It's a really nice model, just a little dirty, but ain't no big deal. So what's your guys' opinion on the 320? Is it a nice excavator or is it not a nice excavator? You guys tell me.